When Raja Jackson beat the crap out of that guy, I imagine afterwards someone like Brock Lesnar came in, RKO'd him. That's probably what happened. People were just taking it out of context.
Off camera, yeah.
Off camera. Because it's not. People think WWE is scripted. It's not. How you see them hitting with the chairs?
It's the only real fighting sport.
Yeah. Like
I've got into it a lot since Logan Paul, LP came into the fold.